नमो नमः। गीताभ्यासे 2-43 कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा plus 2-44 भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानाम. A study by S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Shukravasare, June 19th, 2020. It would be good to begin every session of Gita Abhyasa with recitation of Gita Dhyanam and the Namana Vakyam. Om Parthaya Pratibodhitam Bhagavata Narayanena Swayam Vyasena Grathitam Purana Munina Madhye Mahabharatam Advaitam Vrutavarshinim Bhagavatim Ashtadashadhyayinim Ambatvamanusandathami Bhagavad Gite Bhavadveshinim. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रिया विशेष बहुलां भोगैश्वर्य गतिं प्रति भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां तया परुतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते. पदच्छेदाः. कामात्मानस्वर्गपरा जन्म कर्म फलप्रदां क्रिया विशेष बहुलां भोगैश्वर्य गतिं प्रति भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां तया अपहृतचेतसां व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः समाधौ न विधीयते. Phrase-wise study of 2-42 वाक्यांशः अभ्यासः. This is of the previous श्लोकः 2-42. We will come to understand why I am repeating it from the previous shloka. Just to go through it quickly. Partha anyat na asti iti vadinah avipashchitah vedavadartah yam imam pushpitam vacham pravadanti. Now, phrase-wise study of 2-43 plus 2-44. वाक्यांशः अभ्यास. कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः यामिमां पुष्पितां वाचं प्रवदन्ति भोगैश्वर्यगतिं प्रति क्रियाविशेषबहुलां भोगैश्वर्यप्रसक्तानां तया अपहृतचेतसां समाधौ व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः न विधीयते. Note, the कर्तृपदीयाः कामात्मानः स्वर्गपराः in 2a1 only relate to क्रियापदीयः प्रवदन्ति in 2a4. See, 2a4 प्रवदन्ति, which I am repeating here in putting it into brackets. Both the karmapadiyah yamimam pushpitam vacham and kriyapadiyah pravadanti. The word taya among anya subantaha in 2a3 is a conjunction corresponding to yam, yamimam, corresponding to yam taya. In 2a4. That is why it was good to have table 2a here. Note, in row 2 of table 2a, भोगैश्वर्य गतिं प्रति, भोगैश्वर्य गतिं प्रति. The word prati means unto. Hence the phrase is put in the column of Anya Subanta. Bhogaishwarya Gati means Dvitiya Vibhakti. So that Dvitiya Vibhakti Just because of that Dvitiya Vibhakti, it cannot be put into Karmapadiya. Because of Prati, it goes into Anye Subanta. Now Tiganta Shaha Abhyasa. Vidhiyate. Vi plus dha iti dhatuhu. तृतीय गणीयः उभयपदी. टू एक्ट कर्मणि प्रयोगः लट् लकारः वर्तमानकालः प्रेजेंट टेंस प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्. समासशः अभ्यासः. कामात्मानः कामात्मन् विशेषणम्. अत्र पुल्लिङ्गं प्रथमा बहुवचनम्. कामः एव आत्मा यस्य सः कामात्मा. बहुव्रीहि. Wishful, desirous. Kama means desire, and eva atma, that is the soul of whom. Hence wishful, desirous. Swargapara. Swargapara Visheshanam. Atra pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Both Kamatmana and Swargaparaha are pullingam prathama bahuvachanam. Hence they qualify to be in the column Kartrupadiya in the table. Swargah parha yasmai saha Swargaparaha. Bahuri. One who considers heaven as ultimate. Janma karma phalapradam. Janma karma phalaprada Visheshanam. Atra strilingam द्वितीया एकवचनम्. जन्मनि कर्म इति जन्म कर्म सप्तमी तत्पुरुषः. जन्म कर्मणः फलं जन्म कर्म फलं षष्ठी तत्पुरुषः. जन्म कर्म फलं प्रददाति इति जन्म कर्म फल प्रद उपपद तत्पुरुषः. So on the whole, janma karma phala prada, one who presents fruits of actions executed in ongoing life. Note here, the meaning of janma is life, not just birth. Kriya Vishesha Bahulam. Kriya Vishesha Bahula Pratipadikam. Visheshanam. Atra Strilingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Kriyasu Vishesha iti Kriya Vishesha. Saptami Tatpurusha. Kriya Visheshanam Bahulam Yasyam Sa Kriya Vishesha Bahula. One with multitude of special actions. Bhogaishwarya Gatim. Bhogaishwarya Gatihi or Bhogaishwarya Gati Pratipadikam. Strilingam Dvitiya Ekvachanam. Bhogaha Aishwaryam Gatihi cha Etesham Samaharaha Bhogaishwarya Gatihi. Bundle of enjoyments, dignity and attainment. Bhogaishwarya Prasaktanam. Bhogaishwarya Prasakta Pratipadikam. Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Shashthi Bahuvachanam. Bhogaha Aishwaryancha Etesham Samaharaha Bhogaishwaryam. Bhogaishwarye Prasaktaha Bhogaishwarya Prasaktaha Saptami Tatpurusha. One entangled in enjoyments and dignity. Aparuta Chetasam. Aparuta Chetas Pratipadikam. Visheshanam. Atra Pullingam Shashthi Bahuvachanam. Aparutam Chetaha Yasya Saha Aparuta Chetaha. Bahuvrihi. One whose discretion, Cheta, is taken away, Aparutam. Vyavasayatmika. Vyavasayatmika Visheshanam. Atra Strilingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Vyavasayah Atmikaha Yasyaha Sa Vyavasayatmika. Bahuri. Such intellect for which profession is the soul. Profession is the soul engagement. See the difference in the spellings of soul, S-O-U-L, and soul engagement, SOLE engagement. Focused intellect. Profession means what is to be done. Now, Krudantashaha Abhyasa. We have columns here for Krudantaha, Dhatugana Krut Pratyayah, Pratipadikam, Arthaha, Jatihi, Prayogaha, Lingam, Vibhaktihi, Vachanam. Prasaktaha, Prashanj, iti dhatu. Prathamagανiyah, Parasmaipadi. Krut Pratyayah, Kt. Prashanj, Kt, Prasakta, Pratipadikam. Involved. Jatihi, Visheshanam. Karmani Prayogaha, Pullingam, Prathama, Bahuvachanam. Aparhutam, Aparhu, iti dhatu. Prathamagανiyah, Ubhaipadi. Krut Pratyayah, Kt. Aparhu, Kt, Aparhuta. Distracted. Taken away. Visheshanam. Karmani Prayoga. Napusakalingam Prathama Ekvachanam. Now, Subantashaha Abhyasa. Here we have columns for Subantaha, Pratipadikam, Jatihi, Pratipadikaarthaha, Lingam, Vibhaktihi, Vachanam. Janmani. Pratipadikam Janman. Jatihi Nama. Pratipadikaarthaha, birth, life. Pullingam, no, Napusakalingam, Saptami Ekvachanam, Janmani. Karmanaha. Pratipadikam Karman. Jatihi Nama. Pratipadikaarthaha, action. Lingam, Napusakalingam, Shashti Ekvachanam. Kriyasu. Pratipadikam Kriya. Jatihi Nama. Ritual. Strilingam, Saptami, Bahuvachanam. Visheshanam. Vishesha. Visheshanam. Special, specific. Strilingam, Shashti, Bahuvachanam. Bahulam. Bahula. Visheshanam. Multitude. Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Bhogaha. Bhoga. Nam. Enjoyment. Pullingam, Prathama Bahuvachanam. Aishwaryam, Aishwarye. Aishwarya. Iti Pratipadikam. Nam. Dignity. Napusakalingam, Saptami Ekvachanam. Gati. Gati. Pratipadikam. Nam. Attainment. Strilingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Chetaha. Pratipadikam Chetas. Nam. Mind. Discretion. Napusakalingam, Prathama Ekvachanam. Samadhau. Samadhi. Nam. Equanimity. Strilingam, Saptami Ekvachanam. Anvayartha. Kamatmanaha Swargaparaha. Those who are engulfed in desires and those who consider heaven as ultimate. Yam imam pushpitam vacham pravadanti. This is repeated from the previous shloka. What flowery language they speak, janma karma phalapradam, as yielding fruits of actions in this life. Bhogaishwarya gatim prati kriya vishesha bahulam. The language of number of rituals for enjoyments, dignity, attainment. Taya, by that language, aparuta chetasam bhogaishwarya prasaktanam. For them whose discretion gets taken away and in turn who become entangled in enjoyments and dignity. Buddhi, their intellect. Samadhau vyavasayatmika na vidhiyate. Cannot get applied with focus in equanimity, meditation, etc. Cannot get applied na vidhiyate. Vyavasayatmika, focus, with focus. Samadhau, in equanimity, meditation, etc. Chando Vishleshana. Kamatmana Swargapara, Swargapa, Etesham Matraha, दो एक एक, द्वे एका एका. This is not the usual pattern. जन्म कर्म फलप्रदाम, फलप्र एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. That is okay. क्रिया विशेष बहुलाम, शबहु एतेषां मात्राः एका एका एका. Again mismatch. भोग ऐश्वर्य गतिं प्रति, गतिं प्र एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. प्रथम तृतीयौ अनुष्टुप् छन्दसः भिन्नौ. So overall we cannot necessarily say this is conforming to Anushtup Chanda, because the first and third are different from their pattern what should be in Anushtup Chanda. भोगैश्वर्य प्रसक्तानां, प्रसक्ता एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. तयापहृत चेतसां, तचेत एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. Here the visarga is wrongly typed. तचेत एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. व्यवसायात्मिका बुद्धिः, त्मिका बुद्धिः, because of dhiः, bu also gets द्वे मात्रे. एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे द्वे. समाधौ न विधीयते, विधीय एतेषां मात्राः एका द्वे एका. अनुष्टुप् छन्दोत्र. स्वाध्यायः, notes of self study. Etymology of the word samadhi merits deliberation. Samadhi, a compound word having sama and dhi as component words. A bahuvrihi vigraha vakyam as samadhihi yasyam sa makes samadhihi adjectival of a state, avastha, of consciousness, a state of equanimity, sama, in the face of all dualities, of sukha dukkhe, happiness and sorrow, of labha labhau, gains and losses, of jaya jayo, victory and defeat, that equanimity. And the state of consciousness in which that equanimity is established is samadhi. Samadhi is also sam plus a plus dhi. The upasarga sam connotes both appropriateness and also consummateness. And the upasarga a connotes comprehensiveness. By that, samadhi connotes a state of focus and meditation. Obviously, aparhuta chetasa, plural of aparhuta chetaha, those who lose their discretion and get entangled in worldly interests, bhogaishwarya prasaktaha, are just unfit for samadhi. Arjuna had made an argument about kim no rajyena govinda kim bhogair jivitena va. Gita 1-32. Here, not only futility of being entangled in bhogaishwaryam is explained, but those vedavadarataha speaking pushpitam bhogaishwarya prati kriyavishesha bahulam vacham are criticized as kamatmanah swargaparaha avipaschita. The important point advocated here is that any interpretation of Vedic rituals to be for the purpose of fulfillment of worldly desires only, anyat nasti, is unwise. Some questions were raised in the Swadhyaya of previous shloka. Why is the talk of anyat na asti iti vadinah avipaschitah vedavadarataha termed as flowery, pushpita vak? Is it misleading by saying anyat na asti iti? Is it incorrect because it is of avipashchitaha, the unwise? Is it unduly argumentative because it is of Vedvadartaha, who are saying it? Is it pushpita because it transcends into unwarranted perceptions? The summary answer is that it promotes people to become bhogaishwarya prasakta. It promotes people to lose their own discretion. It makes the people to be aparhuta chetasa. It does not say that chanting of mantraha, conducting yajnaha, does not have the power to generate positive results, but to proclaim and profess that sole purpose is anyatna asti, among other than bhogaishwarya gatim prati, for fulfillment of worldly desires, such janma karma phala pradha talk is unwise. YouTube has the facility to post comments, but I would urge upon readers to please send comments directly to me to sanskrit2601 @gmail.com. Shubhamastu.